5 tips for losing weight fast without dieting. It might be challenging to stick to a diet. While some people may be able to stick it out until they reach their goal weight owing to the positive outcomes they've been witnessing, others will eventually fall short of their expectations and abandon the diet before reaching their goal. Because of how restricted their eating was, even individuals who continue with a diet until the very end of their weight loss journey frequently revert to their old habits and regain a large amount of the weight they lost. Here are 5 weight loss tips that will help you lose weight in a sustainable and rapid manner, without the aforementioned suffering or headache. 1. Get plenty of water. We're all aware that we should drink more water. This is especially true if you want to reduce weight quickly, without going on a diet. Drinking extra water will keep you hydrated throughout exercises and daily activities, keep you fuller for longer after meals, stimulate your metabolism, and flush harmful toxins from your system. 2. Increase your protein intake. You'll have to exercise caution with this suggestion, because you don't want to overdo it on the protein and end up gaining weight. However, if you eat a little more protein in the form of lean meats, eggs, and beans, you will feel fuller for longer and have fewer cravings. 3. Cut down on your sugar intake. It's difficult to eliminate added sugars from your diet, because they're included in so much of what we like eating. However, if you can minimize the amount of added sugar you consume on a daily basis, you can prevent your metabolism from slowing down or causing heart problems. 4. Increase your fiber consumption. In comparison to other nutrients, fiber, like protein, helps you feel fuller for longer. It's also great for lowering cholesterol and keeping things in the intestines in order. 5. Get your feet moving. Walking for at least 45 minutes each day is an excellent method to stay fit and lose weight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Click link in the description to find the latest weight loss ingredient.